We are back at Paycor Stadium, getting set for the Bengals and Ravens on Wild Card Weekend here in Cincinnati.
We are going to beat the Ravens, and we're winning the Super Bowl this year.
Sunday night, the only game in town.
AFC North. Bengals dub on the way, man. Y'all stay tuned.
Big energy all night, dog. It's go time. It's go time. This is the next step, dog. Let's go. From the jump, man. From the jump. Go get this win, man. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
And now we're getting set for the captains to approach the 50.
Baltimore won the toss and will defer. Cincinnati will receive.
And the Bengals will begin from their 25-yard line. Burrow back to throw, whips it over the middle, caught by Tyler Boyd. First down in Ravens territory. Boyd spins the ball after the catch. Burrow gives it to Mixon. Gaping hole up the middle. Joe charges between the hash marks. The snap, the placement, the right-footed kick, right down the middle.
Start now.
Huntley throws into traffic, intercepted. Akeem Davis-Gaither with the pick. Drops back from the 14, throws, caught by Chase, touchdown! Bengals! Nice. He caught it at the 1, spun around, and charged into the end zone for the Bengals. First touchdown of the night. Third down and 8, Baltimore. The Ravens at their own 37. Huntley looking, scrambling, running to the left. He's got running room. Huntley racing to try to get to the first down. Nice. Logan Wilson runs him down. Burrow back to throw, fires over the middle. A leaping catch. Hayden Hurst toward the goal line. It's a 1-yard touchdown for Joe Burrow, and the Bengals have the lead. Third down and goal from the 1. Huntley sticks the ball out. The Bengals have the ball. Baby. They are running it back. Sam Hubbard with blockers behind him. Hubbard to the Ravens 40, the 30, the 20, the 10, the 5. Touchdown! Bengals!